This is another free tool. It is called the Hotel Receipt Generator. And in this tool, you can generate a hotel receipt. To get started, simply hit the Fill Example button. When you click that, it will populate left side values with an example. Now you can edit any of these. For example, the guest name can be updated, and the preview will be updated accordingly. And if you want to start over, click the Reset button. Let me pick the check-in and check-out dates. Here, 3 nights have been chosen, so you get 3 nights. The pricing will be calculated accordingly. And other charges, like if you want to add parking charges or include a spa treatment, that will be shown right here. And you can mark them as taxable. Set the self-parking charge to apply on all 3 nights or just 1 day. It will be adjusted accordingly. You can also add more. For example, the plus. Add button, and you enter these values. And the other entries, like this one. Here, you can update the guest to add an email. ID, room number, number of guests. Make your changes. And once you are done, simply click Download as PDF or PNG or SVG. And the best one, I think, is this one because it is the standard one. It is in the format of thermal front desk. You can see the monospace receipt style that comes with it. It is the something you see on the thermal printer. You can also update the size. You can choose any font, any template. There is also a CSV here for the line items. You can add them using the CSV. First, download the CSV, and then update that in the CSV, and then import that. But personally, I like adding them one by one using the single entry form. And once you are done, download it, open it. That's all. By the way, I'm building this pin flow app, which creates your pins from your products. Using the beautiful templates and brand, then all of them automatically get scheduled at the appropriate time. And there is also a randomization, so that it doesn't sound like a bot. And it automatically selects using AI which Pinterest board these pins are going to be posted into. And everything is done automatically. You have to invest only 1 hour to schedule 30 days of pins. And therefore it saves a lot of time. It is like a virtual assistant. Thank you.